Hey there! Have you ever encountered a problem where you're trying to generate the same output using different tools but can't quite get it right? Well, today we have an interesting problem to tackle regarding cryptographic hashing. The issue arises when comparing the output of the openssl dgst command with that of the Haskell Crypton package. Let's dive into the details and see what's going on. The solution to this problem lies in a common pitfall when testing crypto code on the command line. The echo command adds a newline character to the output, which can lead to discrepancies in the hashing results. One way to address this is by hashing the message with a newline character included in the Haskell code. Alternatively, you can use the in flag with echo to suppress the newline in your openssl test. By making this adjustment, you'll ensure that the input messages are consistent between the two methods and produce matching hash outputs. Now, continuing with the solution, we can see that by adhering to the suggested modifications, the outputs from openssl dgst and the Haskell Crypton package align perfectly. The key takeaway here is to pay attention to the nuances of input formatting, especially when working with cryptographic functions. By maintaining consistency in how the messages are processed, you can avoid discrepancies in the hash results and achieve the desired outcome without any hiccups. In summary, by understanding the intricacies of input formatting and making a simple adjustment in how the messages are handled, we were able to resolve the discrepancy in the hash outputs between openssl dgst and the Haskell Crypton package. Remember, the devil is in the details when it comes to cryptographic hashing, so always stay vigilant with your input data. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy hashing!